Seafront Beach Resort is one of the affordable beaches in Liloan Cebu. Entrance fee goes with the table or cottage rental. You can bring your own food with you with no corkage fee. How to get there? This resort is about an hour away from Cebu City. Starting from there, take the Consolation route and after passing by Liloan town proper, shift your gear until you see the signboard.
Please help support this channel by liking, subscribing, commenting, and all that stuff. And as always, thanks so much for watching and see you again on my next video.
Please help this video by liking, subscribing, commenting, and all that stuff. And once again, thanks for watching and see you again on my next adventure.